All right, so this is gonna be part 2 of rebuilding one Fiat into another, and I already see this tint's coming off right here. So basically, in this video, guys, will be a tear down of the interior as much as I can, and essentially, this car I really wanted to keep, but it is backed by 4 years of tags, and it does not run as of right now. I believe that's the fuel pump from the car. Yeah, so the battery is dead, the clutch pedal is actually stuck, so bam, that thing is stuck. So just a small thing that I don't want to have to fix when coming to fix this car. Like, it's just too much money to invest into another car. It's one reason why I actually got rid of the Honda recently. I didn't want to put too much money in rebuilding it. So this interior actually will go to my mother's car, in which we will do a whole entire rebuild and renew on her car. So it's going to be interior, everything basically, and then down to the exterior of her car. So already examining the inside of this car, I believe this is a fender thing, making me believe that this car was into an accident prior of the other owner. They did say they hit something else, but I think it was just involved into a front-end accident. There is some bumper clips and stuff like that in there from headlight damage. In the back seat, it's very horrendous back here. They do have the carpets, weather mat carpets, another clip of sorts, a big old bottle of oil, and what else? Just extra bolts. So these seats are also very dirty. They're not that bad, but they are very dirty and they're a little bit cracked. But that is feared, like that appears to be the only real damage inside. Of course, this is loose. I don't think any Fiat has it to where these are going to be 100% good. But something else, while I start tearing apart some parts, keep you guys updated. The first destroying thing that I did to this car, you can see right here, is the key fob. So previously, my Barth key had came with a plastic end. So I'm gonna roll the footage of me swapping the key fobs around from the stock Fiat key to the Abarth key. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little clip. It's just a quick simple mod to the good stuff, the good key, and having that metal band is much different. So now I can hang up my favorite lanyard. So upon removing that piece and starting removing the rest, went to the glove box and I actually found the original sticker for this car. $20,000. Jesus Christ. You can see 1.4 liter, 5-speed, heavy duty manual transmission, whatever that means. That is crazy to see this. I wish I had this for my car, but 16-inch wheels, but it is on 17-inch wheels now. I do wish they had the stock wheels, but that's okay. Look at that, 31 miles per gallon. Not when you're having fun. This car is not that good on gas. Mexico. Damn. Crazy. It's good to have a nice little booklet like this. But yeah, so far, like I said, I have taken apart this piece. Now I'm going to get the dash piece off. And I'm going to start ripping everything apart. And I only have so many hands to be doing this, guys. So if you haven't already, I have done this before on the channel. So it's a lot of repetitive content. You know me, guys, I don't like to get repetitive content too much out there, but I will explain to you everything that I'm doing along the way. All right, so moving right along, tools I've been using is a Phillips screwdriver T25, some clippers right here to remove the plastic bits that are around the shift boot, and then a 10mm socket to remove the shift knob, and then obviously a flathead, my best friend. Something I've been talking about before is that these things, even though they're screwed in, they're never really screwed in. Once you like unscrew it, basically you break the clip. That's why there's giant holes. So this bottom piece really is just holding in by the clips that are going along with there. Hopefully the carbon fiber ones are a lot more stronger than these factory ones, because these factory ones suck. So that's tear down for the whole entire dash components except for that side. There's no need for that one. This middle piece right here is actually going to go towards my car, and I have a few plans for that one. Now I know this radio comes out in a certain way with removing certain buttons and having certain tools to get up in the little holes, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. I'm just going to keep on going on, keep on moving on, or whatever you guys want to call it. The glove, I'm not going to be able to get the glove out because I don't have the right tools. Once again, I always don't have the right tools. I only have a little tool bag with me, and I am in my lot, and I don't want to keep going back and forth to the car that's in the street. And yeah, this would be too much to move the car to the street, quickly get this done, and then move it back in here, because already this car was about to get towed away because the cop said, "Oh, you have expired tags." Like, yeah, I just bought the car, miss. Like, what do you want me to do? You know, you want me to register the tags overnight? Like, no DMV is even open at that time, you know? But enough of me talking. I'm gonna start tearing apart more. that is it for today's video. Just a quick snippets of doing everything here. I do have to be careful. I am boiling hot in here because I don't want anybody getting Karendized saying, oh my god, he's doing car repair. And then all of a sudden I get evicted because I'm doing car repair. And, you know, sadly adults nowadays, they're not adults. But if anybody has any idea of how to take this off, let me know. And obviously in the comments below, let me know. And in the next video, we'll continue on some more interior work. Also, the next video coming up, actually, guys, if you guys haven't already know, I do car meets as well. So in the next video, we will be going to a few meets this Saturday. One of them being what is that one for? That's weird. One of them, the car meets on Saturday, is going to be at the Marconi Museum. We were there previously. I did say that the next video over there would have to be inside, but I haven't been able to go over there due to the fact I've been trying to fix my FIAT because the stuff expires at the end of the month. But you know, we're gonna get this taken off, and that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys like what you're seeing, stay tuned for part 2 of the interior breakdown. And I got all the parts back here. They're gonna be coming with me. So I got the side skirt off, this piece off, the seatbelt I'm gonna take completely off. Since my mom's are white, they're gonna be black now, so seatbelts are not broken. The window was broken into previously, you can tell by the little that, and also there's no trim piece up here. So that's a little disturbing seeing that, I guess. You can see the trim piece right there. Still a little uneven over there, but yeah, catch you guys Saturday. Stay safe and stay chill.